Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to log your Android smartphone remotely using your mobile number. Google now allows you to remotely log your phone using your mobile number. But before this feature work, you first need to enable remote log on your device. In this video I will show you the complete step-by-step process. So on the Android smartphone, go to the setting and under the setting find the option called Google Services. Now go to or click on all services and scroll it down and now go to or tap on tap protection and you will see here remote lock. Just tap on it and just turn it on. This allow Google to remotely log your phone if it get lost or stolen. Now let's see how to remotely log your Android smartphone. Now close these settings and now let's see how to remotely log the phone. Open any web browser from your Android smartphone or your computer. Go to this website. Just enter the mobile number and your device will be locked instantly. So by using this feature, you can instantly lock your Android smartphone when it get stolen or lost. So if you find this video useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the more updates. And thanks for watching my video.